Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move your Google Photos from one account to another using your phone. Maybe you just created a new Google account, or want to back up your photos to another account. Whatever the reason, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone and make sure you're signed in with the account that currently has your photos. To check which account you're using, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. You'll see your email address there. Now, to transfer your photos, we're going to use the Partner Sharing feature. Tap your profile picture again. Go to Photos Settings. Then tap Partner Sharing. Next, tap Get Started. Here, you'll need to select the Google account you want to share your photos with. This should be your second account. Once you've selected the account, you can choose to share all photos or photos of specific people. To move everything, just choose All Photos. Then tap Next, review your selection, and tap Send Invitation. Now, switch to your second Google account, the one you want to move your photos to. Open Google Photos, tap your profile picture, and select the new account. You'll see an invitation at the top of the screen. Tap Accept. Once accepted, all shared photos from your first account will now appear in this one. To permanently save them to your second account, tap on your profile picture again, go to Partner Sharing, and choose Save to your account. Google Photos will now automatically copy all those shared photos into your new account's library. And that's it! You've successfully moved your Google Photos from one account to another using just your phone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more simple and useful tech tutorials. See you in the next one.